It's freezing winter, and today I took my Brompton on a business trip to Vienna. I never cycled in Vienna before, and this time I wanted to explore it all. But first, I had to catch the train. The journey to train station was a breeze, from rolling it in a subway to carrying it to the platform. Once on the train, things were a bit tight. Normally, I can tuck my Brompton at the end of the coupe, but this time I had to squeeze it between the seats. To pass the time, I treated myself with a $1/2 pie. It was cheap but delicious. When I arrived at Vienna Hauptbahnhof, my goal was to get to the hotel. Okay guys, so this is my first time riding on a bike in Vienna. It feels so exciting. There are plenty of bike lines everywhere, and people seems to be okay with you riding on a bike. However, I quickly realized I needed a better phone holder. Mine was falling apart, with only two corners barely holding the phone in place. A precise GPS is a must in any city, and after some trial and error, I found Komoot worked best for navigation. I tried Garmin too, but it was too slow with turn notifications, which often left me stopping at intersections to figure out where to go. Seems like I'm riding on the right path, but in the wrong direction, as everything is under construction here. Let's get to the safe bike line. Just need to ride a few more blocks. Okay. Last time I was on a business trip to Vienna, we were supposed to have a bike trip, organized bike trip. They lent you those fancy electric bikes, but unfortunately it was raining whole day. After navigating Vienna streets, I finally arrived at the hotel. Having Brompton made it so much faster and easier than walking or figuring out public transportation. We already checked in. The room is ready, even though it's not 3, so I'm very grateful for that. Right here. Welcome to my palace. So the room doesn't look bad, so let's do a tour. Big comfy bed. There's 2 beds. A smallish TV. I hope it has the YouTube so I can watch Mr. Beast. Complimentary tea and instant coffee. Very nice. Let's check the bathroom here. I was relieved to check in and settle down after a long journey. I unpacked my bags and got to work. The day was busy and I wouldn't be free until 6 p.m. I hoped to explore the city afterward, even though it would be already dark by then. By the time I wrapped up work at 5, the sky was already pitch black. Before heading out, I enjoyed a quick cup of hotel's complimentary tea, a warm moment before stepping out into the cold. But before I could start my exploration, I decided to check out the hotel gym. I got very complex instructions on how to get to the gym. I have to go through this hall. It's really long. There's actually more than a few hundreds of rooms or something. Then by the end I should get out, use the emergency door or something, go downstairs and so I think I got to the end. There's no way anyone could sneak in and sleep here because there's no spot for camping. So, welcome to Rainer's Gym. There are toilets, table tennis, boxing, bag. Of course, we have the lockers. Plenty of what's here? Vending machine, empty, not working. There's another room with dumbbells, 6 kilograms, not enough. Here's the canteen or something. Look at that. A cookie with mayo. I see butter. I see seems like a place for the local staff to get a breakfast. Frühstück 6 to 10. So I think this place is just for the staff to cook their meals during the day. It's locked. Well, that would be it for the tour. Baby, I'm not going home with y'all. It felt so good to stay active after a day of sitting at work. By the time I finished, I was too tired to venture out into the city, especially since the forecast predicted rain. So I stayed in for the night, but the rain never came.
I was disappointed for not taking my bike out, but I knew the real adventure starts next day, and more about that in the next episode.